What's up everyone? So what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna change the background. Many people actually don't even know about it, so I'm gonna show you how to actually do it. So let me open up Zoom. Zoom is actually installed on my computer. If you have not installed, I will put the link in the video description. Zoom version I have 5.x installed on my computer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up Zoom and this is how it looks like. So there are a couple of options right on the menu bar. So this is not something I'm interested in. So in today's video we will be looking into this icon right here, the settings icon. So if I hover over, I know this is settings, so I'm gonna click on this. So these are basically the settings that we could tweak. What we would like to do is the background change. We want to jump into the background and effects, this section, and I'm gonna click on this one. Rest we will ignore at this point. So let's go ahead with that. So now if you come here, look at this. So none means there is no virtual backgrounds applied. So this is how it looks like. It looks very pale, unprofessional, lack of light right there. This is intentional because I just wanted to show you if you're working and you want to be professional, right? When you are attending a meeting, your background looks like this, it doesn't look good. You could actually use some of these ready-made backgrounds that comes with Zoom, and if you are not actually satisfied with this, you could bring your own image or video. So let's say I want to choose this one, blur. So my background is blur, but still you could see, you could guess a bit what is going on the background. Instead I want to use this. This is much better. So this is based on your interest. You could basically pick up any of the images like videos, whatever, it's up to you. So what we could do actually instead, I'm gonna delete this stuff. These are the stuffs that I actually uploaded before. So I'm gonna add an image. So my own image, and I'm gonna click on this, and let's say I am going to take this image and use it as my background. Cool, this looks beautiful, right? The another option you could actually do as well is the video. So at this point, if I click on the 4K, if you look here, the 4K video is not supported. So what we could do instead, 1080, which is the HD video, we could actually upload and use it as a background. So let's jump into the add video section. So I have got one video here, which is actually 1080. So I could actually take this. See, look at this video. So it's gonna play my video, but there is no sound coming up from there. So this is gonna be a muted video playing on your background. So sometimes this might be distracting if you're in a meeting. I would not recommend anyone to use such kind of video, rather use some plain images. If you wanna delete these, you could just hover over on the top right corner and you're gonna see a cross or X sign. Click on that. This is going to bring this pop-up. Click and delete. Alright, so this is gone. So I kind of like this one. I never used that when I was playing with Zoom. So this is what I saw actually here. So thank you very much for this session. See you in the next one. And if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up.